Welcome to Junior Journeys Kids Channel. Welcome to Junior Journeys Kids Channel.
Hello, kiddos. How are you? Today we learn sports and daily actions flashcards. Are you ready? So let's go. Rollerblading.
Rollerblading.
A boy is rollerblading smoothly along the pavement, performing cool tricks. Reading books.
Reading books.
They are reading books. Kiddos, it's a good hobby. Playing.
Playing.
These kids are playing a game. You must play any physical game on daily basis. Flying.
Flying.
These kids are flying kites. I also like to fly a kite. It's an amazing game. Cycling.
Cycling.
A boy and a girl is cycling swiftly down the trail, enjoying the fresh breeze. It's a good physical game for health. Dancing.
Dancing.
A girl is dancing gracefully to the rhythm of the music. Skipping.
Skipping.
A girl is skipping joyfully with a rope in the park. It's an amazing game. Love it. Skateboarding.
Skateboarding.
A boy is skateboarding skillfully, performing tricks on the ramps. If you try skateboarding, be careful. Draw.
Draw.
A girl is drawing a beautiful landscape with vibrant colors. You can also draw any sketch and fill colors. Sing.
Sing.
A girl is singing melodiously, captivating everyone around her. Share.
Share.
A girl is sharing her apple with his friends, spreading smiles all around. It's a good attitude. Jump.
Jump.
A girl is jumping high, leaping over obstacles with excitement. Read.
Read.
A boy is reading a book, and a cat sits near him. Walk.
Walk.
3 friends walking peacefully along the beach. Enjoying the sunset. You must walk daily. It's good for health. Help.
Help.
A boy is helping his friend. Always helps to others. You can feel better after help to others. Talk.
Talk.
A girl is talking excitedly about her favorite book to her friends. Thanks for watching, kiddos. See you in next videos. Subscribe my channel. Meet you again, kiddos. Bye-bye.